How you treat our ambassador is very important. Very, very important. And I'm glad you did that. But how you treat our citizens is more important.
I know. Yes.
Than even how you treat the ambassador.
Yes.
So, I mean, I just want to take you, and I'm sure, my colleagues will have some comments as well. You said you haven't seen any of the videos that are out there. I'm at liberty to show them to you. Everybody has a phone if you want, if that will convince you, because you said you haven't had an official complaint.
You must communicate to us as accredited consulates to you. Then if you communicate to us, we are going to be able to sit with you and then see the modality, how we are going to discuss it with our national.
You know what our government, including those of us here, the resistance we put up just to allow your medical personnel to come in a couple of days ago. Nigerians were worried for good reason, because we have this virus out there. And we're almost undiplomatic the way I'm talking, but it's because I am actually upset about what's going on. So I mean, I'm not sure how you want to address this. Have you spoken to your Nigerian counterpart in China? Have you spoken to the Nigerian ambassador in China?
No.
You haven't?
No.
Have you spoken
none
to
of this issue.
I'm talking about this issue. Have you spoken to any official Chinese or the Chinese government in China?
Definitely. We have to, like I promised the foreign minister, we take the very...
No, but you have not.
No, we have done it. But
You spoke to the Chinese government?
We're still waiting for because we are here. We don't get the picture, the whole picture. So, but we have to report the concern from Right Honorable Speaker and the Minister. We take it very seriously.
Yeah, whether you have, please, by Monday, because I'm aware that this is a weekend, but by Monday, so we have a couple of days.
On Tuesday.
Please, or Tuesday, because Monday is a public holiday. Well, today is a public holiday, so we're working over public holiday. If you have information by Monday,
All of you want to pee me? Good. You do like this, you do like this. You do like this, you do like this. Do like this. Do.
Oh, ada nak ada tu mak. Ah, dah ke? Phone tu ada.
Phone mana ni mana? Ya, dah phone.
Emang ni hari ni mana risk dia?
Macam berada wifi.
Emang ni hari ni mana risk dia?
All this one. Everybody.
Those who go inside.
Those who go inside. You are going inside. Why you are saying your own? I don't cross-examine you. Please let me tell you what I want to tell you. The COVID-19 started in Wuhan, China.
How do you know that?
It started in
How do you know that?
China.
Are you sure it's from Wuhan?
Yes.
Please show me.
I will send it to you.
Yeah.
I will
Please
send
show
it to
me.
you. However,
Even the professor
However.
and the scientist didn't say it's from Wuhan.
However.
And you are the expert.
you said when you are talking, I didn't talk. Let me give you the answer. Many Chinese travel to Nigeria at that time. Nigeria didn't quarantine them.
So
These are the people that are living in China. They are not the businessmen. That is one thing. All the people that is business,
are they students? Are you students?
they are here. They are been here in China. You don't need to ask me
I know.
question. They are here in China. They are not the businessman. That's why I'm telling you, when you are saying money or life. They are here in China. They are doing their business in China. They are here. That is one. Two, all the people from Nigeria that came for business, they are entitled to go for 14 days quarantine. In line with what you sent to us as your policy. We agree with you
Lau gaman mo yan.
to that. All these people, when they finish the 14 days quarantine, where they did the quarantine, they give them a paper of release. Why are they still giving them another 14 days quarantine again? It's not acceptable.
Okay, it's
The first one, the
Yeah.
14 days, the first 14 days is acceptable by us. Another 14 days, you didn't communicate to us that you are going to do another 14 days after 14 days. You have tested negative, and then you have given them the paper. Why are they giving them another 14 days? That is one. Two, all the police, the document, this passport belongs to the federal government of Nigeria. In line with international practice, no any country have the right to seize the international passport of another country. Wait! Wait! They are not in my hand. I just withdraw it from them. They seize
I know
it.
you have that.
I said they seize it. And then you know, your deputy,
Ona gamye ni fa ma ona ala ni fa.
general, all the passports of Nigeria they seize. Ask
Ye na
him.
be be
It
didre.
was released yesterday. Why are they
And
seizing
they
Nigerian
don't go for the
passport?
passport
It
na
don't belong to China.
aka na ekwu okwu. Dem
If
na
you
report
seize
ya.
Nigerian passport, it's like you are seizing Nigeria as a whole. It's not acceptable. That's another thing. The third one I'm going to tell you, you didn't communicate to us that you are going to go to all the Nigerian houses and then you are going to ask them to come out and go and quarantine them. Did you communicate to us? No. Nobody communicated to us. If you want to do your policy on 14 days, shut down everybody. Don't discriminate. Everybody should sit at home. Everybody, including Chinese, including Nigeria, including everybody, including you as a director. Everybody should sit at home. That is exactly what the Nigeria did.
Really?
Yes.
So your government doesn't work?
No, no work. Nigeria shut everything down. Nobody moved. We didn't say only the Nigerians should be going to the work while the Chinese quarantine. No. Everybody must be sit at home. I can show you the proof. All the people that did the quarantine for 14 days. In Nigeria, any foreigner going to Nigeria must be quarantined for 14 days. After the quarantine of 14 days, if they tested negative, they were given paper release. In China, if they tested positive, they were given paper release and go. If they tested positive, it's the responsibility of Nigeria, the responsibility of Guangzhou and China as a large to treat them. So far so good. We have some Nigerians that tested positive and then they are receiving treatment in 8 hospitals. I don't think we have ever disturbed you for one day that you should release them for us. You are treating them fine.
Do you think they're treating us?
No, you are treating them fine. You are okay with it. And then you do mention to me at the last meeting I have with you
Yeah.
that they are going to treat them free of charge without collecting any money from them
You mean in hospital or
in the hospital.
Okay.
That's what you told us.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we sincerely thank you for that. In Nigeria, all the foreigners, including Chinese that they arrived from UK,
Also free of charge?
also free of charge.
That's good.
The Chinese arrived from United Kingdom of London. And they was treated freely. I can give you the video. I'm coming.
Okay. Please, as simple as possible.
As simple as possible.
Because
We don't have much time.
yeah, sure.
In that case, why is it Nigerians in Guangzhou, in Guangdong, didn't travel out of Guangdong for more than several years? They have been in Guangdong, they didn't travel. Why are they quarantined them? That is one.
Okay.
You didn't notify us that you are going to bring all the
No, come, we wait. 这里还有了，这里啊。
谢谢。Good morning.
The first 14 days is acceptable by us. Another 14 days, you didn't communicate to us that you are going to do another 14 days after 14 days. They have tested negative and then they have given them the paper. Why are they giving them another 14 days? That is one. Two, all the police, the documents, these passports belong to the federal government of Nigeria. In line with international practice, no any country have the right to seize the international passport of another country. Wait! They are not in my hand. I just withdraw it from them. They seize it.
You have that.
I said they seize it. And then you know, your deputy general, all the passports of Nigeria they seized. Ask him. He was released yesterday. Why are they seizing Nigerian passport? It not belong to the China. If you seize Nigerian passport, it's like you are seizing Nigeria as a whole. It's not acceptable. That's another thing. The third one I'm going to tell you, you didn't communicate to us that you are going to go to all the Nigerian houses and then you are going to ask them to come out and go and quarantine them. Did you communicate to us? No. Nobody communicated to us. If you want to do your policy of 14 days, shut down everybody. Don't discriminate. Everybody, you sit at home. Everybody in